The beautiful Michelin tough.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Ready to do another product review for Michelin floor mats. These are the PPE ones from TreadAuto. They're absolutely phenomenal. They're laser cut, etched, and they're definitely an improvement over the stock ones, but I honestly was pretty entertained by this bag. I couldn't help but play with it like a kid. Excuse me for a minute while I go off into fairyland here and just enjoy myself. It's honestly pretty dope that they sent a bag this big, because if you ever wanted to swap out your floor mats, or if you need to wash them and tote them up in the bed or something so they're not flying around, you know, this is a great way to use it. Or if you just want to use it for groceries and show off that you've got a Michelin bag that no one else has, you can absolutely do that. Or you can be like me and run around the parking lot like a moron. Anyways, we're about to get in the truck when I get done playing here, and I'm going to show you how much easier these are to install and the better coverage that they have over stock OEM floor mats. They were super easy to install. They had no tool requirements. Even the locking mechanisms were already pre-installed, so I didn't even have to get pliers or anything to attach them or pinch them in place. It has raised 360 coverage to really keep in spills, mud, snow, dirt, debris, whatever it is that you track in on your feet, because we all know living in the country is not easy. And there's no way you can actually get in a vehicle without having some sort of exterior earth on your feet. Look at those deep ridges. They're really amazing, and honestly, with it being the PTE waterproofing, it makes it super easy for cleaning, but also just not spreading it throughout the vehicle, because that's the worst. When it gets smashed into the carpet, you're never going to get that out. It gets down beneath the fibers, it gets down to the underlayer, and even if you pull the carpet, you're going to see caked on dirt, debris material that you'll never get rid of. So you might as well start with something like this that actually helps you keep it out in the first place. So you want to start by going with the out with the old, in with the new. Rip out that old dirty floor mat, get it out of the way, that way we can make room for this new and improved Michelin floor mat. Just gonna lay it out in here, and the grips on it honestly made it a little difficult to get it across the carpet, but it's super easy because you know it's going to stay in place. The knobs built on the bottom side are designed to keep it in place, so kids, dogs, animals, car parts, whatever it is you're putting in the back seat is not going to move that carpet out of the way and going to keep it in place where you want it to stay. They absolutely overbuilt these things to protect more of the carpet than the stock OEM. The channeling there is so much deeper, so it's definitely going to hold on. If you take the kids out on a snow day and they get in the back seat with snowy, muddy feet, don't worry about your carpet. It's going to be protected by this. The channeling is so thick, it's almost like keeping a little fish tank back there. It's going to be able to keep the moisture locked into that floor mat and off your carpet. Really like that. That's cool. How deep that channel is, that one too. Even on this side, it's like it actually cups better than the Raptor one did. Even it kind of protects some of the plastic trim there. Because I know a lot of people when they're riding down the road, their feet will kind of kick along the side trim, but definitely if you got muddy feet, that is a real hot spot for collecting stuff. I even had some creamer go bad from the store, you know, leaking container leaks like that. The Raptor floor mats did great until I got to the edge. The edge had no lip, so it fed right into the carpet. This would just catch it all, and that's a deep channel. I mean, that's pretty deep. That's at least 1/4 of an inch deep. So I mean, it's going to retain quite a bit. I also just like the tread pattern. It's so cool. That fits perfectly. I love it. Now to move on to the most used floor mat in the vehicle. When you think about it, the driver is always in that seat, so that floor mat is always getting abused. You simply want to pull up on those tabs and get them unplugged, get it out of the way so we can get the Michelin one in. The Raptor ones are great. It only goes so far because the gas pedal's like right here, so it only goes so far. Let's see where it leads. The best thing about this is it doesn't take any tools. That is cool. So just right off the bat, I gotta say, for me, I don't know about you guys, whenever I put cruise control on, I typically bring my right foot back and it might rest right in this area. The Raptor one did not cover that up 100%. That is perfect for me to bring my heel back and just rest my foot away from the gas pedal. Other thing is, Raptor one only covered to right here, stock Ford. Look at that, it goes way up there because sometimes your foot would slip off the pedal and you'd fling mud somewhere up higher, so it's definitely going to protect the carpet way better. Same thing, it goes way up there. I mean, it's almost 100% of the carpet. Kind of like this area too, because if you go to put the e-brake on and you smash it down, same thing, your foot slips off, you're going to be dumping some mud or something right there. And the channeling on it is so deep.
I am sweating really, really bad right now. So it's a good little test. Yeah, it's holding moisture. Awesome. I'm being sarcastic, but for real, I like that tread find. That's cool. Little grip. I dig it. Fits perfectly. Passenger front now. As you can see, I use my truck often and it gets muddy. Out of all the carpets or the floor mats, this one's probably the worst. It has no channeling on it, so it doesn't really hold it at all in place. It can move constantly. It started to fold on that front right side, so it's kind of starting to peel away from everything. And it's not that deep, you know? But same thing, passengers, they'll tuck their heels back, so. Dude, much better. Way, way, way better. Again, the Raptor one only came up to here, so this one goes quite a bit further. Channeling is a lot taller on that inside panel there, and definitely comes back way further up here. So again, passengers move their feet constantly. I'm definitely one of those people that I'd move my heel back here or back here. Probably bump my heel right up to that, so that's a lot better. That channeling though, like I said, is a lot deeper. This is a lot wider circumference. The Raptor one, they didn't want to cover the Ford logo for performance, that's fine. But still, I mean, how often do you get to look at that? A beautiful Michelin. Michelin tough. I love it. Love that grip and texture, dude. That's awesome. I can't wait to see what this is like with mud and stuff on it. Now I gotta go play in the mud. Although everything's all dusty and dry. As you can see, there is no mud right now, so we're gonna have to create some mud, make it happen. Time for some real world testing. This is what the back of my truck looks like every day when I go to and from work. Keep my skateboard back there, just camera, light equipment, shoes, boots, gloves, all kinds of crap. So it's definitely handling the abuse fairly well. Sometimes there's not any mud, so you gotta make some. There we go. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Gotta keep everything nice and tidy. And even if so, you know, that edge. Nice little trim area. So after a couple of days of running them, you can see how much better it's holding on. So that's what I was talking about, the dust alone that drops underneath the pedal. The Raptor stuff would stop right there. So it being able to keep and catch all of that is so much better. As far as the pairing, you can see where I rest my foot sometimes up higher like that. It's another thing, keeps the carpet nice and clean. They even have kind of a superior design over this right here. I just got my hands wet. The locking mechanism, the old Raptor one would drop dust down below, as you can see. So it's actually a better design because it's not allowing it to come through. You can see by the Michelin one right there. So the upper one is clean. It's actually a much better design. Overall, like, I would say this is absolutely a far superior design. Tougher quality and everything. It's very tough material. And it's gonna fold to where you want it to. And if it ever is malaligned and it's not the way you want it, just set it out in the sun for a little bit, the direct sunlight. It's black, it'll absorb heat. It'll cause it to be more malleable. And then you can put it in at any point you want. Stuff in the back, even, like I said, I end up putting leftover cans and stuff back here, but it's just far superior. Holds up better. You can see where it stopped other material from leaking anywhere. It's waterproof, so it's just a much better product. So to demonstrate how waterproof these are, I've got my old lunchbox and it is filled with water. I'm gonna pour it right there. Yep, full of water. Want to wash these floor mats off, they look dirty. You can see how deep that channeling is. Let's go across there. That is so cool. It's kind of cool to see it ripple all the way through it. And then again, like I said, it's so tough and it's waterproof. There we go. Look at that. Dry carpet. totally did its job. I want to really thank Michelin for giving me the chance to do this video. So I just want to thank again TreadAuto and Michelin for creating this product, but also sponsoring this video, allowing me to demonstrate what it's like to have these. And you could have a regular F-150, you could have a Ford Raptor, FX4, King Ranch. You definitely need some superior protection over the factory stuff like this to be able to protect your carpets, keep your interior safe. Because here's the other thing a lot of people don't think about. If you let mud and dust and everything build up like that in here, whenever you're driving down the road, that's where you start to get dust on the dash. Yeah, it starts to build up down there, your feet padded up, dust rises in the air, gets inside your vents, ends up everywhere inside, covers up your dash, instrument cluster, your stereo. See? So a lot of people don't think about these things, but because of a product like this and it's waterproof, you can take it to a car wash, power wash it off right away, and you'll be totally set. So again, just want to thank TreadAuto and Michelin for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. We'll catch you in the next one.